The dream of European cooperation in space.
After World War II, European countries recognized the potential of space exploration. However, with limited individual resources and expertise, collaboration became essential. Driven by a shared vision, nations sought to pool their scientific and technological strengths, aiming to match the advancements of the United States and the Soviet Union during the growing space race.
Early steps from ESRO and ELDO to unity.
The path to a unified European space effort began in the 1960s. Two main organizations emerged: the European Space Research Organization, ESRO, for science, and the European Launcher Development Organization, ELDO, for rockets. While these efforts saw successes and setbacks, both revealed the benefits and challenges of multinational space projects.
Founding the European Space Agency.
In 1975, the European Space Agency, or ESA, was officially established. 10 countries joined forces, merging their resources and experience from SRO and ELDO. With ESA, Europe gained a unified agency to coordinate satellite launches, scientific missions, and technology development, cementing its place on the global stage.
Major achievements through collaboration.
ESA's collaborative approach led to historic breakthroughs. Notable projects include the Ariane family of rockets, enabling independent access to space, the Rosetta mission, which landed on a comet, and participation in the International Space Station. European engineers, scientists, and astronauts have regularly contributed to cutting-edge research and innovation.
The lasting impact of unity in space.
Today, ESA stands as a model for international cooperation. By uniting diverse talents and resources, European nations have accelerated scientific progress and technological advancements in space. ESA's continued success demonstrates how shared goals can overcome boundaries and inspire future generations throughout the continent.